This video is for educational purposes only. The process shown may vary and does not represent any specific brand or factory.
Millions of pads are made every day, but 9 out of 10 still leak, feel plasticky, or cause rashes. Finally, pads that actually work.
But what happens behind the scenes?
Every day, millions of women rely on this product. Let's take a look inside the factory where it all begins.
Fibers are separated for better absorption. Everything moves through automated systems. This core is designed to absorb liquid quickly. Machines cut it into exact shapes. A soft top layer is added for comfort. This helps it stay in place. Machines ensure proper weight and size. Production runs at high speed. Each pad is packed individually. Then placed into boxes. Ready for delivery. This is more than just a product.
It supports comfort and confidence.
Now you know how it's made. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.